Hi guys, today we are going to learn about how we can show a list view in a Jetpack Compose. So if you have used recyclerView in XML and if you know, like, we normally use recyclerView to show items in a list view, either in a horizontal list or a vertical list in using the recyclerView. So in Jetpack Compose as well, we use the LazyRow and LazyColumn to show the items in a list view in a horizontal list and in a vertical list. So basically LazyRow and LazyColumn both follow the same principle of just like recyclerView, and we can just simply show the items in list view. So in LazyRow we can show the items like in horizontally, in LazyColumn we can show items in vertically. So both LazyRow and LazyColumn gives us the scope of lazy list. So let's start with LazyColumn. So to show items in LazyColumn, we simply use the LazyColumn, and then like this gives us the lazy list scope, and we can use items, the items which we need to provide, list, and that's it. We can show the items like this. But if you want if we pass this to the list, and this will give us this lazy item scope. So, and we can use it like this to show the items. For example, I'm showing the items like this, and it will give me this. We can use text. Let's see. Okay, we have to use it like this, and then we can use it like this. Okay, if I'm run this, and you will see, yeah, you can see the 12 items are here. But let's try one more thing. Let's give it a modifier dot fill max size. Let's try it. So this is basically the LazyColumn. Okay, let me try one more thing. Okay, this has taken the max size, and also there are some properties of LazyColumn we can provide, like we can give the content padding and reverse layout true false if you want to, and the layout orientation to reverse. You can try vertical arrangement, horizontal filling behavior, and content if you want to pass this in this. So let's try with we can also give it the spacing if you want. Let me try with content padding. Okay, padding values, horizontal I'm giving it 16 dp, and vertical I'm giving it 8 dp. Okay, it will give the padding to my content. Yes, this. So this is how we can show the items. Also, if you want, you can also this padding will only apply to items. If you want to give the spacing between the items, then you can try using there is a property like padding value, and then we have to use it like in LazyColumn. We have to use vertical arrangement dot spaced by, I am using 10 dp. So it will give the padding of 10 dp, sorry, spacing of 10 dp in between my items. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, so now let me create my item properly. I'm using a card. I'm giving it a modifier dot, I'm giving it a size of 100 dp, and I'm giving it a shape of rectangle round corner shape of 20 dp, and then I'm taking a box inside it, box modifier dot fill max size, and I'm taking content alignment dot I'm taking it center. Okay, its content alignment is not working. Let me try. Okay, this is how it's going to work, and I'm taking my text here, and let's now try to run this and see how it looks. So see, it looks like this. My item is not taking the fill max size. Let me try it, giving it fill max width, and let's see how it looks. Okay, fill max size dot fill max width. Let's see how it's going to look. Yeah, see, you can see now it has taken the complete width, and you can see our item in card view. If you want, you can try it background color dot, we are trying to, sorry, color dot red. Let's see how it's going to look. Okay, so in this way you can show the items in list view in Jetpack Compose. This is I have shown vertical. If you want, you can try it with LazyRow, and here you have to take the horizontal arrangement spaced by 10 dp. Okay, size is this. Let's run it. See, so this is how it looks. Now you have taken the horizontal list. You can show items in a horizontal way, and if you want to give a specific item at start, you can try it with this, like this. You can take the card from here and give it a specific name. I am first. Text color dot, we are taking its white color, and let's run it, how it looks. See, we can manually add the first item. Same, if you want, you can add an item at the end as well. I am first, I am last. You can try anything, like showing any more thing if you want. This is how, like, this is the horizontal list, and if I change this to LazyColumn, it will be my vertical list. Just like we use the recyclerView in XML, we can use the same way the LazyColumn and LazyRow. We can also try using the grid as well in XML, that is lazy vertical grid, but that is an experimental API which may or may not, which may be going to be soon deprecated. So I'm not making any I'm not going to show that in this video. Like this foundation API is experimental and likely to change or to be removed in future, so I'm not going to show, but that also works the same way. You can take a lazy vertical grid and you can just give the grids like columns and whatever width and height you want, and you can show the items. So for now we are just going to work on the LazyRow and LazyColumn, and this is how you can show the items in either horizontal list and a vertical list using the LazyRow and LazyColumn. So this is it for today, guys. Do let me know how you like this video, and do let me know if you want me to make videos on specific topics on Jetpack Compose. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks.